Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the PRZ scanner. Again, the UOP FX PRZ scanner, which stands for price reversal zone. So basically what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to click on the button below this video or wherever it is on this screen to download the actual software. It will be a zip file. So it's going to be .ex4.zip. So make sure that you unzip the file before loading it inside of the folder according to the steps I'm going to show you here. So what you're going to do is click on File, click on Open Data Folder, and then you're going to click on MQL4, and then you're going to click on Indicators. And you want to make sure you drag it into the root folder. Do not create any subfolders, okay? Put it inside of the root folder. So as you can see here, I already have it here, but basically what you would do is from the downloads folder, you're just gonna simply drag it in here and you'll be done, okay? So I'm not actually gonna go through those steps because I've already installed the software. As you can see here, I've already dragged it in here, but that's pretty much it, okay? Now, after you do that, you're simply going to open up a chart. So I'm going to open up a new chart, and then I'm going to actually drag the software onto the chart. Make sure you allow DLL imports. Click on inputs, and you want to make sure you log in with your email and ID. Keep that information private. Again, this is your licensing information. So if anyone gets a hold of it, or if we notice that you're logging in via different IP addresses, we will block your account, okay? So after you log in with your email and your ID, you're simply gonna click OK. And then it should load up on the chart, which I didn't put in any information because I'm doing this video, okay? So let me go ahead and see if I can load this one up here. Load this one. All right, and then once you put in your information, everything will look like this, okay? Now, the best thing that you could do is once you put in your email and your ID, or if you make any changes to this chart with the scanner on it, make sure you save it as a template or resave it as the same template so that all your changes are there and you don't have to keep logging in with your email and ID. I only recommend that you run this on one chart. There's no need for you to load this up on multiple charts on the same MT Floor platform, because all you're going to do is overload this and cause it to crash, okay? So one chart is only needed for this particular software, and just put all the pairs that you want it to run on here, okay? So it pretty much works the same as Trade Finder, all right? So I'm gonna come here, click edit. Again, you can put your pairs here separated by semicolon, no space. Leave this as default. This is all the patterns. Pattern depth. Again, the larger this number is, the greater the pattern will be. The smaller the number is, the more patterns you will see, okay? I typically go 15 minutes up to like the daily or the weekly. It all depends on how things are moving in the market. So I'm gonna come here, chart alerts. I typically have those false. Oh, that's false, that's weekly. Actually, I'll leave that on. Chart alert, false. Hit okay. And let it load. And then I'm done. So all I need to do is just right click on template, save template. And then I can call this PRZ scanner like this, hit save, and boom, it's done. So if I need to reload this for any particular reason, stuff closed or whatever, and I don't want to have to type everything in, all my pairs, etc., open up a blank chart, right click on template, and then go to PRZ scanner or whatever you name your template, okay? You can either go to load. If you don't see it, here in this list, or if you see it in the list, just click on it, and then it will load up everything you did without you having to re-enter anything. So that concludes the video. In the next one, I will show you how to use the software.